Desklog time tracking software provides many features that make your team management efficient and easy. In this video, we're going to explain about one of the interesting features in Desklog, and that is screenshot capturing. Log into Desklog dashboard. Desklog can capture screenshots of each user at fixed intervals, and admins can view them from the dashboard. Go to Activity menu in the left side panel. Click on Captures. All the captured screenshots will be displayed, here along with the project name, task name, and time spent on the apps. On the upper left side, next to Captures, there's an option to view by team. This allows you to analyze data for any team you choose. Desklog enables you to configure the screenshots of your choice. Let's find out how it's done. Go to Settings in the left panel menu. Select Demo Duals from the listed options. Select Screenshot from the sidebar. Here you have the option to enable or disable screenshot capturing. Along with that, you got two options. First one, blur screen capture, to blur all the captured screenshots. Second one, screenshot masking, to mask the screenshots of sensitive information like account number and other bank details. This feature also enables you to set the frequency of screenshot capturing, which means the time interval between two screenshots. For example, 3 minutes or 5 minutes or more as per your choice. Add on to that, Desklog lets you choose the screenshot capturing quality from the available options. After setting all the options as per your choice, save all the updates by clicking the Update button. Wait, there is an additional option. Here you can choose to apply changes to all existing users or only to new users. Mark tick on the box to apply the changes to existing users. After selecting that, you can click the Confirm button. Yes, the screenshot configuration is complete. You're all set with Desklog's screen capture feature.